Yo. What's doing? Happy Thursday, bulls. Let's go. We've got heaps of news, heaps of charts. There is dead set a lot going on in crypto. The market is about to do something big, so you don't want to miss that. Respect the look at this, bulls. See if any lefties are watching. Let's go through it. We got some news. We got some charts. These altcoins are about to do massive. Like these altcoins are about to send in one direction or another. We'll talk about that. We'll discuss some opinions, some beliefs. But first, let's go into the news. So firstly, we're looking at Trump is just hours away from speaking at Digital Asset Summit today. Bullish for Bitcoin. There's some rumors about what he's going to be saying. Yeah, we might have a small pump leading up to this. Buy the rumor. We've seen this shit before, haven't we? Do you remember that? Do you remember all the other times that he's gone to speak? The conference and stuff. Price pulled the keyboard apart here. Price sent, and then it's never as expected. Where everyone's just always hoping for some sort of lift-off moment, some groundbreaking moment. The reality is that the market's most likely already priced it in. If it hasn't, there's not really anything that he can say that's going to really change a whole lot for the market. You know what I mean? So it's just everyone's really expecting what's going on. Everyone's already expecting. It's like, what's he going to say? Like he's already said that they're not buying Bitcoin with taxpayer money. Everything's already been said. You know, whether it's him or whether it's his secretary or the crypto czar, they've already explained what's going to happen. They're going to buy and sell with that stockpile, and then they're just going to hodl with the reserve, unless there's some. I don't know if you've seen some of these videos, some of these big brain ideas on how Trump can, without using taxpayer money, how Trump can buy Bitcoin legally through the government. I think we're quite a long way away from that personally, but still good. I mean, when has a president? This is what we've been hoping for years and years and years. Have a look at this. Literally, we've been hoping. Like, we pumped through Joe Biden. Okay, let's not lose sight here. Narrative. Trump forced Powell's hand into delivering end of quantitative tightening. QT. Reality. End of QT has been widely anticipated since before Trump started crashing markets. At the end of the day, if you ask me, this whole Trump thing, the tariff thing, it's more or less just an excuse for the markets to pump. The markets sort of needed to. The markets were getting sucked. The life was getting absolutely sucked out of them. The leeches were stuck on all of these altcoins. Everything was just fucked. Even the stock market, you know, these new highs hitting these 6K marks, big area, big emotional area, big FOMO area, big epic area for the markets to crash. And you've probably realized by now that markets they just need a reason. Sometimes they just need a reason. They just need a fucking reason to dump, whether it's serious or not, whether it even fucking matters. The longer it goes without dumping, when they are ready, over leveraged and greedy, the less that it actually needs a good reason to dump. So the tariffs are, yes, they're full of uncertainty, they're full of doubt, they're full of fear. People just don't even know what Trump's going to wake up and do next day. Is he going to grab someone by the pussy, or is he going to try and take over Canada, or is he going to change names for the Gulf of America, or is he going to claim peace in Ukraine and war in the Middle East? What's he doing next? It's almost like, or is he releasing the JFK? Is he going to announce aliens? What's next? That's, you know, the uncertainty. But at the end of the day, once the markets realize that the uncertainties, we're living with the uncertainty now. So it's just, well, are we just going to dump forever because of that? Or we're going to get this show back on the road? And that's what's going to end up happening a lot sooner than you expect. The show will go on, back on the road, and the bull market will get back on track. It's just a matter of time. Emperor BTC says retest of 84.5 to 85k area can be a good spot to accumulate buys. Like we've been saying, anywhere in the 70k area, and now even the low 80s is a fucking good place to buy. must see good volume inflow at those levels and limit buys. Everything is going good. Please, no more tariff stupidity to kill the market. Okay, so it's more just the wild hand of Trump, just the fucking what's he doing? But everything's starting to get priced in now. It's starting to just become the norm, and that's what happens. Let's always remember. Oh, didn't even switch there. There you go. Oh, too bad. Moving on. Bitcoin is king. Let's always remember, Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin is in a different league to everything in crypto. If you haven't realized that by now. But I love the thrill. I love the game. I can never leave the trenches. Amen, brother. We are here as well. We are never leaving the trenches. Altcoins, shitcoins, this coin, that coin. We will be talking about them. We'll be covering. We'll be trading them. If we can make some gains, if we think that we can make some gains from them, we will be trading them, whether it's long or short side. And this is why the brinking, leading edge, cutting edge technology that is crypto, the most fun, the best place to be, the best, where would you want to be? The highest opportunity, volume, 24/7 liquidity market, all this shit. It's all happening right here, right now. All presidents, politicians, entertainers, big brains, even small brains, the whole fucking spectrum is here in crypto. So let's do it. Let's look at these charts. Do what we do best. Bitcoin 12-hour chart. Let's flick over to the daily. One candle equals 1 day. That's what you want to see. One candle equals 1 day. Holy shit. Look at this downtrending channel. It's been in this downtrending channel for just so damn long. We're looking at like, let's have a little look. Date, how long since the peak? Remember that glorious peak? 59 days since the glorious peak of Bitcoin. So only 2 months. That's shit, isn't it? It feels like it's been so much longer. Do you know why it feels like it's been so much longer? Because it has for everything else. That's why it's been so much longer. Look, we get the peak of Ethereum here. Actually been 93 long ass days. 93 long ass days. That's why it feels like it's been going down for so long. But Bitcoin's only been going down for 2 months. 2 months is fuck all. So Bitcoin makes a higher high. Rest of the market makes a lower high. Very, very lower high. If you didn't pick that up as well. So that's quite a distress and quite a change. Quite a change in how it used to be in the past. Things are different now. There are so many altcoins. There is not a new strong narrative. Everyone's trying to still push this RWA, real world asset, gaming, all that sort of shit. Not happening yet. So back to Bitcoin. What we need to see from Bitcoin. Okay, let's have a look at the previous reversal. Let's have a look at the most previous reversal. What happened here? What did you see? Ready? Flicking over. You seen a low with a massive liquidation candle. The wick alone was 10%. So this comes down, stops everyone out, takes everyone's money. And then it made an equal high, an equal low. A low that is equal when it comes to candle closures, but it is higher when it comes to price reached. So technically a higher low, but an equal low on candle closures, and then a higher high, and then definitely a higher low here. And where was the Trump inauguration? All the way here. So the market was clearly trending up before it did that, but a lot of people were just thinking, including, well, I can't remember actually, probably us, doubt it though, including us, just ranging. See, it was just ranging so much time, just ranging, bang, 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 bang. Oh, it's just hitting the range again. Turns out, not actually the truth. Parabolic increase, 100k cent plus. Very good time to be in crypto, that was. And this is still a very good time to be in crypto, but this is more of a better time to be accumulating Bitcoin before the next leg up. And there will be another leg up. I'm telling you right now, look at this. We're just joining shit on. Look at this. Holy shit. Okay. It's just channeling, my guy. So what I'm telling you here is that it's either now or it's one more low. Okay, it's now, or it's one more low. Whether this is lower or higher, it's one more low or now. It's not. I'm not buying this shit. No, that's out of the picture. That is completely out of the picture for me. I'm buying one more high, one more low, or now. And by now I mean start the grind. Look at the altcoins. Let's flick over, right? One more low is fine. This could definitely be and this is going to be a telltale sign too as well. If you are bearish these markets, you need to be short right now. This is a crazy good opportunity to get those shorts when people are starting to flick bullish. If you are bearish, you need to be short right now. Look, you've got the low volatility, massively low volatility. You've had an expansion. So what you're doing basically, and this is a good time to put trades on regardless, because if you're long, it's easy. Okay, see where the price broke up, right there. See where that broke out. You put the stop loss right there, or if you want to be safe, you put the stop loss right there. Either side of the candle, aggressive, conservative. You put the stop loss here and you go long, or you go short. Okay, you go short here. Right here, and then you have to pick your poison. You've got to pick your poison. These are the areas that it wants to try and attack. But if again, this is a really good opportunity. You've clearly got your zones, because if this is going to continue lower, then you've got yourself a fantastic opportunity for an entry right here. Fantastic, broken above the channel. Big green candles. People are starting to get bullish. Fantastic opportunity. Fantastic opportunity for short. But again, if you want to go long, easy. It comes back into this range, then you're out. You get stopped out. It's fine. If it doesn't come up back into this range, starts trending up higher, makes higher low, you can add to the position, start building position, start getting a real good long going on. Ride it all the way up. It's options. You've got options. Now let's flick over to Solana here. Solana is looking good. Solana is, again, surviving the 125 line. This is all that matters. As long as it's holding above 125, I'm bullish. Bullish Solana. I'm fully bullish Solana here. If Solana holds above $125, I am bullish. Fucking that simple. Long Solana. Long Solana. Start spot, low leverage, and then add to it if we start cruising higher. Okay, because you remember that at the end of the day, your bottom timing, and it does pierce the 125. The 125 is not a good place for a stop loss. Absolutely not. A good place for a stop loss is like fucking, way down here, but that involves only having, 3x leverage or something like that. Which is a more of a responsible, be 3x leverage. Flicking over, American stock market, it's got some topping tails, looking a bit sketchy. It's the 12-hour chart, one candle equals 12 hours. Had this very deep descending channel. Now you just got to really watch it closely if you're interested in it. It's going to be looking for either a crazy ass typical recovery like they do, these crazy ass recoveries that they do, coming into a potential lower high. So that's what you got to look out for, potential lower high. So that's a big dump. But like, again, what I was saying is what the American stock market loves doing, right, is getting people thinking, trying to time a lower high and just trending. Basically what it's done for fucking all last few years. It's just trends. This goes all the way back to November 2022. It just makes people chase a lower high, like right there, and then just grind straight up in front of them. Chase a lower high, bang. Chase a lower high, bang. Flicks up, bang. Chase a lower high, bang, shoots you. So careful of that, but this will drag the whole. This will most likely drag everything up with it. Gold is still chugging along. Watch for the gold top. Watch for the gold top mushroom. I was expecting it to sort of start topping around here, but hey, this is the market. And when things get momentum, you just don't even stand in it. It's the gold train. It's the gold rush. This is the gold rush. It's the gold train. It's the gold rush. It's charging. It's just powering forward. I'm expecting some sort of rejection soon. And just some sort of like that. More or less like this. Like, what happened when it broke 2K? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it was at 2K for A. Yeah, like this. Like this. This is sort of what I'm expecting now. Similar sort of shit, look. What did that get to? 2145. This is what it's doing right now. We're like here. This is where we are right now in gold. Literally, just this little rangy bit here, and then waiting for this massive, crazy run up with the Fort Knox gold reserves, and then this slap back down. That's pretty much that right here. That's what I'm expecting. Boom, and then boom. That'll be gold probably. DXY dollar getting a bit of green, but yeah, still completely dog shit, trending down, weak as piss. So that's most of them. I wanted to actually also talk about something in the news, a few things in the news. We can cover this together, this would be cool. Police and SWAT respond to armed gunmen at CIA headquarters. Fuck all there. Trump's letter to Iran's supreme leader included a 2-month deadline for reaching a new nuclear deal. Boston Dynamics presents the progress made in movement capacity, starting to run like a human. Idiots attacking Tesla stores in Canada. Federal Reserve keeps interest rates unchanged and says uncertainty around economic outlook has increased. Yep, that's what we've been talking about as well. Look at this fuck stain from Australia.
I recognise, and I've fully said from the beginning, that we don't have the same freedom of speech laws that they have in the United States. And the reason for that is that we want to hold together our multicultural community and have people live in peace, free from the kind of vilification and hatred that we do see around the world.
Insanity. They want to censor everybody. France is preparing to distribute a survival manual to every household. EU wants to arm itself for a possible major war in Europe. Looks like they don't want to give up Ukraine. Looks like they want to just keep the money rolling in. Now let's do the interesting shit. Okay, this is the altcoins. I'm running some tests, volume indicator tests, as I've been doing, but we get these signals, we get these gigabar signals up here, blue bars, and what they do is they match well with a few certain indicators that are related to volume. As you can see here, flick sell, short signal, gigabars. Let me make it a bit bigger. See, excuse all these volume indicators. I'm going through a lot of things right now, back testing, working it all out. So we've got a lot going on, but yeah, gigabar, blue, short there, killing it. Gigabar, blue, we got a buy signal. Okay, we're getting buy signals here. We're getting buy signals on a lot of these altcoins, all right? We're getting buy signals on a lot of these altcoins. I'm telling you, look at this one. Buy. Big buy signal. SEI. That's turning into a sell signal now. Buy signal here. Boom. Decent gains. Sell signal here. Boom. Sell signal here. Boom. Buy signal flicked. Boom. Okay, we got. That was, you gotta watch them. Buy and then it flicked. Buy briefly, flicked. Okay, you gotta be able to change your trade. But right now we're getting buys and we're getting sells. This one's flicking. Could be time for a short. Some of these coins, let's go through them all. Getting long signals on a lot of them. H bar. About to flick to buy. Man, This is a serious H bar. Actually, look at this chart. Look at how strong this bottom is. It's just sitting on it. It's a 20 cent mark, almost 19 cent mark. Sits under 20 cents. People want to sell it. People want to panic sell it. They sit under 20 cents. They freak out. They sell short sands. Oof, this chart looks a lot different to others. H bar is actually truly trying to bottom out. Ooh. Look at this. So you're getting volatility expansion. If you want to be short, fuck. Man. Some signals going off here. Wow. These altcoins, this is what the title entitled. These altcoins are about to move. Some of these altcoins, look at this shit. Where are we? Hold on. Let me flick over. Have a look at this. Ready? Man, that looks pretty bullish, this tower. Oh my god. Oh, it's so hard to long shit when everything's in a channel like this. Look at this. But there's another argument for it. The old falling pizza. Look at this. OGN. Falling pizza on OGN. Breaking out. Oh man, you mix that with some bullish divergence. Oof. Get the Giga RSI up. Let's go over to a better time frame. Yep. We got a low. We got a higher low. We got a low. We got a lower low. We've got falling wedge plus divergence. Oh, it's such a reversal combo. Such a reversal combo. Man, look at these coins. Look at these coins. Love to know what anyone else thinks. This is such an important moment. Another leg down for crypto. Like, this is what this means. This means is it's about to have. It's not about to go sideways. It's about to move. Fuck. Yeah, we're about to do this. Is this where we're at right now with the gigabars? Nah, I call this a predator. Looks like a bottom, swings people in, gets that whole double or triple bottom mentality, grinds up the moving average. You'll notice the moving averages will be flat here, pretty flat. No, I'm on a different one. These aren't my moving averages. Well, look at, you see them anyways. I've got to change the settings. This is the gigabar one. I haven't changed the settings for the moving averages yet. Here we go. Let's just go 50, 100, 200, boom, 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 boom. Change these to EMA, EMA, EMA. Bang, there you go. See how the moving averages start flattening out? Somewhat flat. It's a predator setup. Baits people in, people thinking that it's a reversal, but it's not. And that's when we get gigabars like on a high. See, it's like a range. See, there's a range there. What's this really? See how there's a clear range. See, that's like all this boxed in price action. Ignore that. All this boxed in price action, or even if we include that, like it's all just boxed in price action. And then towards the top half, you get the gigabars proc where the moving averages start flattening out. It's a predator. It's just baiting people in to just completely wreck them, and it did. Look at this, mad losses, huge losses, 64% losses. We are getting. This is, man. I'm streaming every day. This is This is this is a very, very crucial, like, and did I say crucial? Crucial moment for crypto. It's like these coins are about to either just, like, how much lower can they fucking go? Look at this. It's going into the negatives down here. It's going into the negatives, man. Like, usually, this is a short. This is just another short. Usually, this is just another short, alright? Nearly always. So keep that in mind. Some of these coins actually look alright though, like TAO. What's going on with the mouse? Fucking getting... Someone's trying to control my screen. Oh. What's going on with the mouse? Man. It's grinding up, it's taking liquidity. Oh. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I got stopped out on this for a short. This chart's running its own race though. Look at this. I was hoping for another equal low test. Scam coin FTN making new highs. Oh my god. Like, tell me that's not primed for a short squeeze. Look me dead in the fucking eyes and tell me that is not primed for a short squeeze. Look at it. You know how many people are short on this? Massa. Just this big scammy wick would just wipe them all out, or at least happen when they start taking profit. Massa. Funding rate. Wow. Oh, it's just one of those. The volume's so low. Nobody's even trading it whatsoever anyway, so don't worry about it. Not on ByBit at least. Oh man. Let's see how some of these older signals are triggering or coping. How's AVAX going? Oh, it's not looking good. It's not looking that great. It's just recreating this. Look at this. It's happening again. Look at that. Just boxing out. Boxes out. Gigabars. Trends. Starts trending. See that? It just starts trending. And now gigabars again. Boxing out. Like, fuck me. Surely not. Fucking. Then boxing out again. Surely not. Wow. A couple other EOS that had a couple of scam pumps. Then bonk. Oh man, the volatility expansions are starting to happen. Look at that. Look at that, and then look at that. Green candle, red, topping. Yikes. We need to wake up on a. We need to wake up with a big green day tomorrow. Yeah, SNS looking alright. Some of these coins starting to get a bit... Yeah, we're just looking for more green than red, you know? It's fucking not rocket science here. You just want something that looks alright. Like, looks like there's a bit of strength. But at the end of the day, these coins are about to start moving, but they're not... Here, look, what about Sui? There you go. There we go. Hopefully that's an industry leader. It just takes us a bit higher. There we go. Look at this. Get rid of this. Sui. Man, I mean, it's been in this channel for 2 months. You need this, you need this, and then you need this. That's what we need here, people. These altcoins, remember, they all move together. Even the shit ones will get dragged up a little bit. Even if it's just a little bit. Compound looked alright. See, it's not now. This is just a bear flag. This is just an in-channel bear flag. Fuck. Oh, I just want the fucking bull market to come back, man. But look at this shit. It's just look at this. Ready? Okay. What would you say is going to happen here? Would you say this is the top? Maybe if it come back into this range. If it come back into this range, potentially that could have been the top, but that doesn't look like the top. It's making higher. It's making new highs. You know, that's usually what would happen. It's just, but it's inversed. We've just inversed it. We've clicked invert scale, and the reality is these things look like they're just flagging, which is a bear flag. You know, it's just completely inverse to a bull flag. You can look it up, bull flag. Some of these coins, bro. Wow. That's Bitcoin. Here we go, XEM. I had a short open on this that's just been sideways. The short's just been sitting there all month. Fuck. DEXE, look at this scammer. It's chasing my stop. My stop's up here somewhere. 20 something. Wow, that's a nice long. If you got it, if you didn't short it, it truly looked like it was going to break down. Look at this. Look at our projections. Look at that. Literally started rolling over. It just must have been just so shorted. So much money to be made. Bag, we got that. We longed that. It's good. All right, we'll wrap this stream up. It was good. Take it easy. Thanks for coming. Good fun. As the picture says, fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you. Have a good time. Have a good day tomorrow. Happy Friday. We'll see you tomorrow. Let's do it. Let's fucking do it. Let's do it.